Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we're just going to be jumping into a full breakdown of how to backtest on TradingView. Okay, so if you're serious about testing your strategies before risking real money, backtesting is a must. All right, and TradingView makes it super easy even without any coding skills. Now, the first step is to open your TradingView chart, obviously. You start by opening your TradingView and you select the assets and time frame that you want to test, okay? Whether it is Euro USD, maybe on the 15-minute chart, or whatever currency pair that you want to test, you just open it, go to that time frame, make sure that your chart is clean and ready, okay? You apply your indicators, whatever indicator that you want to backtest with. Just apply the indicator to the chart real quick. Okay, we're just going to do that right now. Okay, we added this indicator to the chart. Okay, adjust your settings, prepare your screen just like you would want to when trading live. Okay, just make sure that everything is all set up, all looking good the way you want it to. All right, just some random examples. Just do some random examples right now. All right, now you use the bar replay tool. Let us activate the bar replay. Okay, you click on the replay icon on the top of the chart. Right, you select where you want your backtest to begin. Select where you want it to begin. All right, meanwhile, this option, or rather this tool, is available for those who are subscribed to the premium, right? Okay, or if you have access to the free trial, then fine. But this replay feature is it's not available for the free version. Okay, so once you have selected the candle where you want your backtest to begin, then you play it. You can see in this dialog box, you can see how it happens, right? Once you select it, then you can see how it's going to be backtested. You can see it's just going to replay, right? Okay, so this allows you to simulate real market movement and test how your strategy reacts step by step, candle by candle. Now, as the chart plays forward, you look for your setup. Let's say your strategy involves waiting for a moving average crossover, for example, or maybe a specific candlestick pattern. When that signal appears, you can pause the playback. You can enter a simulated trade and mark the entry with a line or icon. Then you can use the long or short position tool, long or short position tool, to define entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. This gives you a visual representation of how the trade would have played out. Okay, now as price moves forward, you track how your trade would have performed. Did it hit your stop loss? Did it reach your target? Make notes. Okay, you can even keep a notebook or Excel sheet tracking each trade's outcome. All right, the risk to reward ratio and the reason for entry. You repeat the process to test across multiple scenarios, sessions, or market conditions. Then you also need to adjust and refine. Okay, backtesting is not just about collecting wins, it's about spotting weak points in your strategy. Are you entering too early? Are your stops too tight? Backtesting helps you identify patterns and mistakes before they cost you in a live market. Now, TradingView's tools like the drawing lines, Fibonacci levels, RSI, MACD, or any other indicators can all be used while backtesting. All right. So the backtesting feature is quite a wonderful feature, even though it is available for only those who are subscribed to the paid plan, right? But if you are not subscribed to the paid plan, you might not be able to use that feature unless you just take advantage of it during the 30-day free trial, and that's it. Okay. Meanwhile, if you're subscribed to the paid plan and you want to backtest your strategy, you can just follow what I just described in this video. You select the replay button, you arrange your chart the way you want it to be. You select the particular candle that you want to start from. Once you have done that, you just watch how the thing is plays out. You watch how it plays out. You pause at intervals to look at exactly how price is reacting, and then just basically simulating live trading environment. Okay, you can place trades and use indicators and all of that as it goes on. Okay, so meanwhile, backtesting does not guarantee profit. Okay, it is good to backtest strategies. It is good to check how your strategies have performed in the past, but it's also important to note that past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, past profits do not guarantee future profits. So even though backtesting is great, I just want to put this out there that you should always, all right, you should always remember to employ proper risk management. Always employ discipline, stick to the rules, employ proper journaling. Okay, don't forget to journal your trades. Some traders neglect journaling. You should have a reason why you entered the trade. You should have a reason why you exited at a particular time. You should have a reason why you chose a particular pair to trade at a particular time. Okay, for example, if I can see a triangle formation here, and then I have a breakout from this point, perhaps I have a breakout from this point. The reason for my entering a buy trade could be because of a breakout, right? So that is just an example. So probably I'm waiting for a breakout from this triangle to the upside, and then even wait for a retest and a continuation. So I have a particular reason why I bought. Okay, and then I can journal my reason why I entered this trade, where I set my stop loss, where I set my take profit. So basically what I'm just saying is ensure that even while you are backtesting, you do not neglect proper risk management, you do not neglect journaling, and you don't neglect emotional management. Okay, backtesting on TradingView using the bar replay feature is a game changer, quite all right. Gives you real visual experience with your strategy without any risk. The more time you spend on this, the better you'll know your edge. So if this helped you get clear on how to backtest on TradingView, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more hands-on trading tutorials. Keep testing, keep refining, and keep pushing forward. See you in the next video.